Now, your Super Doppler 10 forecast from meteorologist Jeremy Wheeler.
Well, here's the ice cream meltcast. Let's have some fun. Going to be some nice weather today. We got temperatures in the low 80s, mild and dry, and I think we're looking at just a few drips. Might be a little optimistic on this forecast. It might actually be up to some decent melting, but you know what? I think it's either way, it's going to be a pretty good day for that. Just getting outside, getting a sweet treat. We got moderate for the air quality. That should be fine, but you will notice there'll be some haze overhead from the wildfire smoke up in eastern Canada. So it should stay very high in the sky. Now, temperatures today, low 80s, low to mid 80s tomorrow, dry conditions, 85 Friday, 87 Saturday. The humidity will be going up, though, as we go into those days. Now, our satellite radar, we've got high pressure off to the west. We've got a cool front dropping to the south, and the dew points have dropped down into the 50s and 60s. So this time of year, 50s for dew points, that is great. And that's what we have at the moment. We'll continue that with the northeast wind today and tomorrow. Then eventually we'll start to see more of a south wind. I think it might start up a little bit out of the southeast tomorrow and then be a little more out of the deep south coming in, going into Friday. The true south, I should say, southerly wind. So Super Doppler 10 radar. Right now we've got quiet weather and we've got just fair skies overhead. Now we'll have that northeast wind today, 8 to 12 miles an hour. We have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies between the morning and going into the mid-afternoon. We'll have those northeast winds running at 8 to 12 miles an hour. Here's 6 p.m. We'll see fair skies, and then we got some pretty good conditions going into the overnight also, mostly clear skies. And we have light north winds. Now tomorrow, though, it's going to turn out to the southeast. Shouldn't have a big impact on us. Might allow the temperatures to warm up just a little bit. We'll have partly cloudy skies. I think maybe a stray shower nearby, but most of the rain should stay to the west. But you can see if you're traveling west, there will be a few showers out that way, and we should stay pretty dry through 9 p.m. So today, the numbers 82 in Virginia Beach and Norfolk, 82 in Portsmouth, 84 Chesapeake, mid-80s in Elizabeth City and Hertford. So you get inland, you'll have some mid-80s going. I think some mid-80s also, though, for the Outer Banks. Fair skies, dry weather, nice conditions, light northeast winds. Low 80s in Melfa, Hampton, low 80s in Gloucester, and 82 in Newport News, and 85 in Williamsburg. Nice day. Now at the beaches, one little speed bump. We do have a moderate risk for rip currents now. Waves increasing a little bit, 2 to 3 feet, so probably good for some surfers, but for swimmers, just keep this in mind. You still go to the beaches, just use a little extra caution when you're down there, and always swim near a lifeguard. Boating forecast, seas 2 to 3 feet, bays 1 to 2 feet, bay temperatures 80, and there's that warm water over the Atlantic. But this little feature here that was over the warm water, well, now it's going over cooler water, and it's really losing that chance for development. So, I mean, it's got a very low chance, but even if it does form, it's going to stay out to sea. It's east of Bermuda. All right, so for us today, temperatures low 80s, fair skies, 84 tomorrow, partly cloudy, scattered showers and a few storms Friday, 85, and then upper 80s going into the weekend, isolated showers each day.
All right, so enjoy this nice weather while you can, because it looks like it's going right back up.
Yeah, by the time we get to next week, I think we're batting low 90s going into Monday and Tuesday. But, next couple of days, just awesome for the numbers. Yeah.
We're still in summer, so that's going to happen. Here we go.
Okay.
And that's okay. We're good enough. We're smart enough. All right, let's check